Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the camera quality or image settings or filters on your EZVIZ CTQ2C. And to do this, first let's add the camera to our app and set up the app itself on our Android smartphone. And we've shown you previously on how to do it, so be sure to check that video. Here, click on these three dots on your camera, move to the device settings, scroll down to get to the image settings, advanced image settings, and you can enable or disable blacklight mode and use the specific area for that. Use the original filter for the colors, soft or vivid. And that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.